Ryan Fasan here with another Tile of Spain Showstoppers. Today I'm here with Peter Tizzoni from Techlam by Levantina, a really unique Tile of Spain member, and I'm really grateful for your time, Peter.
Thank you. Nice to be here.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, the stand is incredible. I gotta congratulate you on your efforts with the stand. It looks amazing. So now, digital technology is something that is important to the Spanish industry in general, but it's very critical for large-scale gauge porcelain like Techlam. How is it that Levantina is employing some of the new technology in digital?
Are we lining ourselves up with this biophilia concept?
So you're doing a lot of biophilia.
Yeah, we want to link our products to nature and the world environment that we're trying to be cleaner and more sustainable to the, around the world.
Okay. So I love that you brought that up because a lot of manufacturers take a very literal approach to biophilia and they print flowers and leaves and things like that. And while that's something very attractive, I think that a lot of manufacturers are also doing a lot of natural color tones and structures that are making vegetation and things like that look great around their product.
Well, that's all incorporated. That's why if you bring the architectural world and the design world into it, and you start bringing the natural beauty of what's around us in the world, and then add the greenery and all this non-toxic part of the world around it, because our stuff is green. It's non-toxic. There's no chemicals or anything. So we're trying to move as much as we can into that direction.
No, it's really nice to see because, as I say, energy is expensive. Water is scarce in the region where a lot of our production is. It's always been part of the industry's mentality, but it's nice to see that it's starting to become something that's talked about and something that, even though it's always been a part, we're still trying to get better each and every year, aren't we?
Definitely, and we even see it when architects and designers come in and ask us the question, is this product recycled, is it green? If you start telling them it's chemical based, they're trying to step away from it. So I see it with a lot of meetings I go to and presentations I do for the company, and we see the movement really looking at the green and the non-porosity and the saving of water and plants, and a lot of that green movement, and touching on the biophilia direction we're taking. So
the other thing that I've noticed this year specifically, there's been a huge boom in digital technology design with not just color and design with structure, design with finish.
Yes.
How is Levantina employing some of the new technology?
Well, our print technology that we have for the certain products like our 3 and 5 millimeter, we've upgraded that to a latest systems, ink system for that, which is also all green. There's no chemical base, it's all organically produced. A lot of more texture, natural texture, like we have the leño, it's got the wood texture. We have
so you're printing that texture digitally with a camaleonte that sinks into the surface?
That's it, and then we have like rollers or prints that push and give you that wave or a slate look. So all these finishes and the machine that we have also putting into our new factory is a through body capability. So what's going to happen is the technology is moving forward. The 2cm material will have a through vein like a natural material. That's how far the technology is, and it's still, as we say, it saves a lot of water on any power that we use, and everything gets recycled. It's more efficient than the previous machines, and this is the latest machine in the world. And there's only a few of them that have, it's a great technology. And this is the first generation that's coming around. So within a few years, I don't know, it's going to be pretty interesting where they're going to take it to.
I think so too, Now, before I go, I keep having my eye drawn to that looks like an integrated induction cooktop.
Yes.
That's really cool to see.
It's an amazing little, it's been mounted by InvisaCook, and they're going to cook some food here later today. So just showing the people how it works and what you can do with it. He's actually even got two phone chargers on the corners underneath, so you can mount all this new world order with green and the new sintered stone world. And the people around the world are taking notice of the print, the problem that's been caused with global warming. And everybody's trying to move into a green direction. How can we save? How can we protect? So I think 80% of the companies are looking in that direction.
I would agree.
And we're excited with everything we do all the time. And we're going to have a whole new range of finishes when we're done with our new factory, which will be interesting and exciting for the world market.
Awesome. Peter, I'm really excited to see what Techlam is doing. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.